Okay, I'm really excited. So here's a girl of all trades, and we got this far, and now I think we're ready to take on the footer. The footer is so small in the bottom. You can see down here how small it is. So we're going to make that footer look like our HTML template, just like this. So if we go back over to index.html, let's look for our footer. So here it's marking our footer, and there's all our good classes and all that. I wouldn't worry about body or HTML or anything like that. So let's grab everything that says footer within those footer brackets. Let's copy it over and let's go to our WordPress footer. All right, let's dissect this a little bit. Okay, so let's go over to a girl of all trades. So what this is doing, so we have our footer right here. Let's divide it so we know what's going on. Okay, that's our HTML. So this is right here. So we have proudly powered by blah 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 trades. So in our website, you can see down here, proudly powered by WordPress, theme trades by Shirley Ashby. And I think that's kind of cool. So I'm going to leave that in there. But we definitely want our footer to look like that footer. So what we're going to do is the same thing that we did to the header. So let's see here. What do we want and what don't we want? So it looks like Stone Products website. That is definitely the logo, or H1. We could keep it like this, and what this code does right here is that it goes back to the main directory. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do the easy way. So I'm going to grab a girl of all trades, or actually let's just write it right on in there. A girl of all trades. And let's leave it like that. I kind of like it like that. Copyright year, all rights reserved. Okay, this is great. Yeah, we're going to keep that just like that. Okay, and then let's see here. There's a phone number. We could keep the phone number, and then there is some social links. But let's see. I want to keep my theme and my name next to it because I think that's kind of cool. I'm going to go ahead and put that within this copyright div. Okay, so site info. We don't necessarily need that. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this guy right here in the site info div, and I'm just going to put it within here. Okay, so since our footer is just like that and we already have the div set up in here, we can go ahead and erase all of this information because I took out everything that I needed from it. All right, let's move this up a little bit and make sure our PHP is still being well behaved. This is our page div. It ends it. So we're definitely going to leave that here. Let's go ahead and save this out, and hopefully we have, where's our FileZilla? Hopefully we have no errors when we refresh this guy. But we'll see. And then, of course, down here, when you want to connect to your Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, you're going to definitely want to put in that link with where these hashtags are. For some reason, my hosting's being super slow. And as a web developer, I'm a little annoyed by it. Okay, so look how cute. A girl of all trades website. Contact us. Of course, I'm going to change that to my company phone number when I get a chance. And I like this down here. I kind of like the 2016 All Rights Reserved. Proudly powered by WordPress. And look, there's my name. So it looks like our map is being weird. I'm not sure why. But I'm guessing it has something to do with jQuery. This page didn't load Google Maps correctly. See JavaScript console. Well, I guess that means we have to look at the console now, doesn't it? So let's go on in there. Failed to load resource. JS wow. Okay, that means we have failed to fix a path within it somewhere. And and wow is not defined. Well, it's not defined because it can't find it. And then here's our Google Maps error. Missing key map error. Well, I'm going to bet that if I go ahead and find that file path that's broken, then I'll be able to fix that in no time. But check this out. This was about let's see here, about a 5-hour job with the tutorial videos. When I don't use tutorial videos, I can blow through these things within a couple of hours. And this is just the home page. And then I'm going to go through and put my own information in here, of course. And I'm going to take my title on my page, and I'm going to move it over here so it looks a little bit prettier, and probably make this one smaller so my page stands out a little bit stronger. And I'm also going to go through and put in a navigation and pages, and those will be new tutorials coming next week. I'm excited to put those through. So mainly what I want you to take away from this is that you can take any HTML template and break it apart and put it in the contents of WordPress. Your biggest problems are going to be file paths, putting it in there, unqueuing scripts, and just making sure that all your PHP tags are getting closed and everything's pulling together. If you have any questions, feel free to talk in the link below, or contact me through my websites, or you could always go to makeovermywebsite.com, and I'm there, and I would be happy to do more tutorial videos. Anyway, I hope you guys like this, and I know it wasn't directly applied to you because the theme was something I just found, but you can take any theme and rip apart WordPress and put it back together. Don't be scared to mess it up. Just make sure you back it up.